again, our pyro and explosions, as the kids in front call it, are from the Tora Pyro team. Currently, I learned today, the Guinness World Record holders for the longest wall of fire in the world, 16,000 feet. All right, you can see our planes in the distance coming together, the Corsair, the Quicksilver, and the Dauntless. They're gonna come across the runway at us, so keep an eye out. Who's ready? The kids in the front are ready. Yeah!